Welcome back to the channel, the Daily Forex. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to properly do your analysis on crash and boom markets and how you will be able to trade this market successfully. The crash and boom market relies on technical analysis. All right. So if you are able to, do your analysis correct, you will be able to, make profits and have a profitable trade in this type of market. All right, so the first step, I'm going to start on the crash 500 index market before we head over to the boom market. Okay, now we'll start on the crash 500 index market right now, and this is how you want to do. First of all, you want to zoom out of the trade. You zoom out like this so that you can see this is the first zoom level. Okay, then you head over to the main market trend line right here. Now this is the market trend line right here. Now how do you do a proper analysis in this type of trading? We see that the market has gotten to the overbought right here on the 1 minute time frame. But what you need to know that if the market is at the overbought on the 1 minute time frame, it does not mean that the market is at the overbought on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we'll go over to the 1 hour time frame right now, and we're gonna confirm a good entry position. Now, like I said, okay, it doesn't mean that if the market is on the 1 hour time frame, it doesn't mean that if the market is on the overbought on the 1 minute time frame, it doesn't mean it's the same on the 1 hour time frame. So now what we're seeing here now is that the market right here is at this point right here, not at the overbought, you can see. But on the 1 minute time frame, it's telling us that the market is at the overbought. Now, how do we confirm an entry? This is when we will zoom into the market. Okay, we zoom into the market a little bit right now so that we can see a good entry point. Now, this is a proper analysis. The market have sold for a very long period of time, so the next step is for this market to buy. Okay, but we can see that this market is following this structure, and they're going to follow it for a little while before it's going to buy, because we're seeing a very long sell position, so we're expecting the market to retest again. Okay, so now this market is going to sell at this very point because the market have it bought at this point right here, then it sold, it bought again, then it sold, it bought again, then the next step is for the market to sell. All right, so what you should be doing at this point right here is look for a possible sell entry position from this point. Okay, what you are going to do is look for a possible sell entry position. So this is whereby you go to the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame here, you put a sell entry and you place it at this point right here. Then you look for a sell so that the market would sell on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, if it does not sell below this region, it probably end towards somewhere at this point, or it can go below, so that as you can see right now. Okay, so this market have bought, so the next step for the market to sell right now. So this is just a simple analysis that I've just done for you guys so that you can understand this. Mostly a beginner trader, if you're a beginner trader, you want to pay attention to everything that I'm saying in this video so that you'll be able to understand how to do this market successfully. What you should first of all do is to go to the 1 hour time frame. When you go to the 1 hour time frame, then you observe how the market condition is. Now, if you put in the moving average indicator right now, which is the moving average period on 40 shift 0, the method simple, then you apply to close, the style on 2 pixels with the color purple right there, then you click on done. All right, now you can see that this moving average right now is going towards the downward trend. But you can see if you take a little bit closer at this step right now, you can see that during this point right here, the moving average is curving. Okay, let me remove this line so that you can see. Look at it. At this point here, the moving average is showing us that it's about to curve like this, going towards this direction right here, towards this direction like this. Okay, you can see at this point right here, the moving average is curving a little bit. Okay, then it will sell, but it will go back again following like this, just as you can see at this point right here. Here you can see following the same pattern like this, buying and selling for a little while before it will retest for a buy. So at this point right here, you do not want to place a buy, it's a sell entry. Just as you can see right now, I just told you guys that the market have sold, and you see for yourself that the market just sell. All right, now let's go over to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, the 1 hour time frame right now, the market sold. If you take a look at it, if you zoom in, you can see that here the market bought up to this point and it sold. You can see it retested. All right, now the reason why it did not create a red candle or a red candlestick is because the 1 hour have not yet complete. Remember that it takes an hourly time, 1 hour for each candle to complete before it now breaks out and start creating another trend line. Okay, you need to take 1 hour for this fully candlesticks to be completed before it breaks out. But right now we saw a very massive drop in price movement from here to this point. Okay, like I said, what you should look for is a possible, sell entry position. And even at this point right here, the market will still retest. All right, the market will still sell. So we're seeing another sell entry point from this point in time. All right, so now I hope you understand how to do a proper analysis on the crash market. Remember that you need to go over to your 1 hour time frame to confirm your entries, and not just the 1 hour time frame alone. You need to first of all observe this market carefully to see how long the market have been buying and how long the market have been selling. So the amount of time that the market have bought will determine how long the market will sell. All right, now I don't want to use any indicator yet, but let's go over to the boom market. Let me show you guys how you can do a proper analysis and have a profitable trade on the market. Now let's go over to the boom 500 index market right here on the boom market. As you can see, we're on the boom market right now. The moving average is on the chart. That's perfect. Okay, now this is the 1 minute time frame. You first of all zoom out of the market and take a look at the historical trend, how the market have been buying or selling, how the market have been doing. Right now the market sold here and it bought, it sold again, and I've seen that the market have bought for a very long time. The market have bought, all right, the time the market have bought is very long here to this point right there. Now the market is now retesting for a sell, okay, on the boom 500 index market. Now this market have sold over, about 20 candlesticks. All right, you don't want to place a sell at this point. This is a point whereby you want to look for a possible buy entry. All right, given the fact that you can see at this point this market have sold over 50, or let's say 40 candlesticks. Okay, if we go to the 1 hour time frame right now, which you should always do, the 1 hour time frame, the market have bought. Now the market's time is for it to sell. The market bought from here to here, then it's retested. It bought, it retested, it bought. Now it has retested again. If we zoom out right now, we can see that this market have been buying for a very long period of time. So what's going to be the next step right here? The market is going to sell. I hope you understand, guys. I'm making this very easy for you to understand. This market would sell because the market have been buying for a very long period of time. But now the reason why it's not a good entry point for you to place a sell entry is because the market have sold for a certain amount of time on the 1 hour time frame, and on the 1 minute time frame the market have sold for over 30 candlesticks. So it's not a good entry point for you to place a sell. You want to look for a possible buy entry position. All right, you look for a buy because the market will buy. All right, it may not buy for a very long period of time. It may not buy with a very long spike, but it will buy a little bit. Even though the market sold for quite some time, it will buy. All right, it will buy a little bit before it will sold. But we know that this market is a sell market. So whenever the spike comes in, that is the point whereby you want to look for a sell entry. Okay, now with this technical analysis and observation, because I like calling it observation, when you observe the market trend and when to make that quick action for a possible buy or a possible sell entry position. All right, so now we'll put on the moving average. It's on the chart right now. The moving average, you can see that at this point here it's curving downwards toward the downward trend, so giving you a signal that this market is going down. Okay, which means this market is a sell market, but you cannot place a sell at this point in time because the market have sold for a long period of time. For the boom and crash market, it's mostly traded with scalping. When you're scalping, taking advantage of small price movements from this market. So if you place a sell right now in this market, there's a higher chance for you to buy. Okay, and if you don't have a sustainable capital, you might end up blowing or ending up your account. So this is whereby you want to look for a possible buy entry point. All right, then you put in the indicators to confirm this using the RSI indicator on window 1. All right, then you put on the MACD indicator as well. All right, now just to confirm this for you guys, when price gets to the level of 10, the market tends to buy. All right, and you are looking at it again that the level is at the level of 10 on the MACD, so the market will buy. So we're expecting a buy from this point in time. So you're not looking for a sell entry because the MACD just got to the level of 10 of the RSI. So from any given point in time from this moment, the market will buy. I hope you understand what I'm saying to you guys. Technical analysis is the best, all right? It's the best when it comes to trading the crash and boom markets, okay? Proper analysis, you will always win in this type of markets. So I hope you understand what I've said to you guys. Now, if you found value, do well to like and subscribe to the channel, The Daily Forex, for awesome trading tips and strategies. I'll see you guys on the next video.